Welcome back to Simply Green Radio, brought to you by Simply Green Energy and Mr. Rooter Plumbing. We are short on time, so we will quickly let Mo, Pete, and Brenna speak to our guest, Ernie Day.
Me first.
Go for it.
Ernie, I just want to ask you, I'm sure we have a lot of technologies we talk about on the show and a lot of different applications, but it's really important to choose someone who's familiar with the installation of these particular technologies, correct?
That's absolutely correct. You want to work with someone that's either under the guidance of someone with the experience or someone who has already done a few of these installations. No question.
How do you? I'm sorry to interrupt you. How do you find in this area? We've talked about it almost on every show that sometimes training people to learn this type of thing and to just wrap their brains around it and be able to do it. Are you finding that we have a lot of companies in the area that are interested in learning this? And
yes, there are a number of people. We've got a long list of contractors. Of course, these fellows here at Simply Green Energy have expressed tremendous interest and gone right into it with us, and we've had some great opportunities there.
Do you need specific licenses and things like that, or you just want to make sure you're working with someone who has referrals, even, so to speak?
Well, it's soon. There is a NISAB requirement out there in order to get a certain payback. It's another tax credit of 10%. Your installer has to be a NABSAB installer, certified NABSAB installer, and that's fairly new. It also goes along with a NYSERDA grant. It's PON 2149, I believe, to replace electric hot water heaters.
Music is going to start playing in my ear here any second now, in our ears, in our headphones, that is, for folks that don't know what happens behind the microphone or behind the glass. But real quickly, Brenna, I know that we do have a guest coming in next week, Pat Coyne.
We do, Pat Coyne. He's from PMC Eco Supply, and he's going to be talking to us about this very popular fairly new concept called Power Miser. It's an actual device that stores energy right from your electric utility. So we're going to learn all about that and how that works next week.
We're short on time, but we want to thank Ernie Day, the GM of Global Point Energy, for coming in, for being our guest tonight. Simply Green Radio, brought to you by Simply Green Energy and Mr. Rooter Plumbing. Or in studio with Maurice Aubry, Mo, Pete Marisi, True Story Pete, also Brenna Hartman, and again our guest Ernie Day. I will be out of town next week, so Brenna pulls double duty of hosting and also being one of our experts on the show here.
And happy birthday ahead of time, Brendan.
Thank you very much. I know you celebrated a birthday recently, so happy birthday to you as well. New York Yankees baseball coming up next here on Wham! The Yankees and Rangers live from Yankee Stadium in the Bronx. Have a good night, everybody.